So I've been locked for 8.5 years now, and my number one tip when it comes to semi-freeform locks is to not go too long without maintaining your hair. I know it sounds crazy because people think when you have semi-freeform locks, you just let them be and don't do anything to your hair at all. But I did that. I did that for a couple of years, and I realized down the line I had weak spots at the bottom of my locks. And not the bottom, but like sometimes the middle towards the bottom, there was weak spots. And that's because I was not incorporating loose hair that's supposed to be in that lock back into the lock. I don't retwist. I don't do any type of palm rolling, maintenance like that. I don't even know what my parts look like. I haven't seen my parts since I started my journey. Okay. But one thing that I do to my locks now is if I have like loose hair like this, for instance, around the lock, I don't just let it be for too long. It could be like, it doesn't have to be every day, every week, every month. But if I see that it's separating too much after a while, after some time, I'll take it and I'll either wrap it around like this, or I'll actually like separate the loose hair and then I'll braid it into the lock. And by doing that, I'm able to maintain the firmness and the integrity of each of my locks. Because, like I said, I realized if I go too long without doing that, it might not look like damage is happening immediately, but a few years down the line, I saw damage and I don't want that happening ever again. So that's my number one tip for it comes to semi freeform locks. They're not freeform locks. They're not completely maintenance free. You do have to maintain them in order to keep the integrity of the lock.